ito na yun. Ito na yung rides eh. Mac, this is the ride. Mac. We're done after this. Edge.
Hello!
Tap, sigaw ka ha.
Wala sigaw. Oh, pag kasi wala pala.
Oh, we're done. We're done. Are we done?
Please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors. Open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip. Para susunod.
We just want to take a rest after eating our lunch. So we're gonna do this with PeopleMover. This one will just roam around that Tomorrowland area.
Please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors. Open and close automatically. Enjoy. Para susunod.
Hindi na pala yan.
Moving my back side.
Hi! Sigaw na!
When it goes fast like that. When it goes fast like that.
Oh, Mac, you and ate.
Turn off the moving platform and step into the car. For your safety, remain seated throughout your journey. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the car. Please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip. Para susunod, permitas ka sa lahat na nandun sus manos.
Dapat ba may bag mo?
Ate, that's a bit really fast. My phone is at 10%.
Uy, bilis na.
Wala eh. Love ko yung dalawa.
I'm sure you enjoyed today while visiting this
Selfie na for us.
Oh, there's gonna be a third.
Let's see, picture me and dad. Tara. Tara, hindi selfie. Okay.
We're gonna go back in time just like in the
Scenic, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
Nice.
That's the scene.
If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, lift the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lanes without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Di ba we tried the Tinong? Let's do it, Mac.
Apat
Oh, if you're in the front for sure, you get pushed ka down.
Dito ba yan sa ano? I-try yun na lang sa natin. Mga ba kaya yan?
Regular, 35 minutes ata kanina.
Ito yung ba?
Picture nga ako dati, sorry.
Real lovers of our world, Space Mountain. Let's offer a high-speed outer space adventure.
Ayun, Space Mountain pala to. Parang palang Space Mountain.
May pababaan na yan. Ito yung phone.
Tomorrow,
But
Mr.
ma, you don't have bells, why would you do
Please contact Mr. Johnson in the
Alita
control
lang
tower
siguro.
to confirm your flight to the moon.
showing what's inside?
Kaya meron.
Headband ko.
Matang dilim.
Something. May something to stop us.
We're in for a surprise.
Let's see.
Bakit?
I take off my headband. There's something.
May multo.
Oh,
Akala nyo, ha?
Ano lang na,
Akala nyo, ganito,
ano
ganito.
lang na sneak peek. Space Mountain.
It's so dark.
it's like Space Mountain. Space Mountain kasi sa little car.
Yeah.
And everything's dark.
Like, really good thing.
Akala nyo.
Imagine how hard that's gonna be for me to see.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world.
Space Mountain.
That's it.
Nasaan po pala? Sarap natin.
Pwede ba naman? Daming tao. Parang walang student.
For a different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights.
Ayan na, oh. Tandaan mo na, oh.
We're now
It's near the Space Mountain.
Carousel of Progress. Inside this routine here, whole families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century.
Oh wait, we're going on more.
First presented at the New
Nakakatakot
York
pala
World's
to.
Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Okay dyan, di ba? Pahinga ka lang.
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring spaceship against evil and reserve. As an honorary Space Ranger, you'll use your own personal race to carry safe
Mac. Mac. So far, this is the best one.
That's my favorite.
Better than the big mountain. Okay. Oh, ito. Oh, ganda. Kaya di sayang ang pila.
Pwede ka pang bumalik sa konti ng pila.
Interact here at Monsters Incorporated, so drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated platform. Share the fun.
Next week, apps.
Tapos na tayo.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful
Oh, Mac.
tomorrow.
Mac, ate. One more. Mac. Mac.
Yeah.
Picture mo yun.
Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically.
Remain seated.
Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving
Ay,
platform
napatid
with
ko na.
caution.
O yung first page.
Okay, go na.
Thank you. Please keep your arms away from the doors. Remain seated until the doors slide open.
Kakahilo.
Nasuso.